Hi guys, if you want to see my updated curly hair routine and how I get these really pretty nourished curls, please keep watching. I'm fresh out of the shower. My hair is still wet. For shampoo and conditioner, I use the OGX Nourishing coconut milk line. I use the shampoo and conditioner together. I've been using them since high school and I really like them. They claim to add strength, elasticity, hydration, and balance for healthy hair. And I find that they do all of these things because whenever I wash and condition my hair with them, my hair just feels soft and it looks shiny. The shampoo is sulfate free, so it is curly girl safe. To style my hair, I only really use two products together. I use the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk Defining Cream. I absolutely love this. I just started using it recently and I find that it really defines my curls. And to lock that in, I use the Mielle's Pomegranate Honey Curl Sculpting Custard. This has been, like, I just started using this and this has really become my tried and true. I love this as a gel. First of all, it smells amazing. I love gels that have like a custard-like consistency because it gives enough hold to your curls without like making them feel like really crunchy or like weighing them down. I keep a gancho handy and a Denman brush to define my curls. I also use a rat tail comb, just like the end of it, to kind of like separate the hair, or I'll just like use my fingers. So I start off by sectioning off my hair. I start from the bottom and work my way up. So then this section, I'll split it in two, you guys can see. So I'll take some of the Not Your Mother's curl defining cream, just smooth that into my hair. See how that just immediately defines the curls. Then I will use my Denman brush to smooth that in. To lock all of that in, I'll take some of the Mielle Coil Sculpting Custard to just lock in the product in the curls. So I repeat this all throughout my hair. You can already see the difference between the curls that have the product in them and the ones that do not. These are a little bit more frizzy and undefined. Yeah, I just repeat that process all throughout my hair. This is the finished result. I try not to over style my hair at this point, so since it's the summertime and it's stupid hot, I'll just let my hair air dry. By the time I go to bed, it is fully dry. For now, I just leave it as is. As you guys can see, I just sit behind my ear. So yeah, those are the products that I use for my current wash. Oh my gosh, this is full of hair. But yeah, the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk Defining Cream. I first bought this a couple of days ago. I just wanted to like try something new, and I had seen really good reviews on it. And the Mielle, I wanted a gel that, well, first of all, was like this kind of consistency, like kind of like goopy. Because I find that really thicker gels weigh my hair down way too much, but with this gel it locks in the product and it provides like hydration, and it makes my hair like really shiny and just pretty looking. Thank you guys so much for watching my updated curly hair routine. If you guys want more curly routines, let me know down in the comments. Let me know what you guys thought of this video, and if you guys try out these products, let me know what you think of them. So thank you for watching.